Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where food and good vibes is a must. Today we will be making some honey barbecue chicken wings and roasted garlic potato wedges. Here are our ingredients that we will be using today. A little paprika, little chili powder, little potato, little barbecue sauce, little bit of crushed garlic, some chicken, the usual. First, we will season our chicken wings with some crushed garlic and just some of our regular all-purpose seasoning. Just combine everything. Since I'm using a spoon, that's why I'm pouring a little, rubbing it around, and then wherever is lacking, I'll pour some more and rub it again. If I was using my hand, I would just dash in everything and then rub it up. So yeah, combine everything. Let's work on our potato wedges. Isn't it amazing though? We can actually make these things ourselves. Me love potato wedges, and normally most of the time I would buy it, but once I start making it myself, yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna do it myself. Other than them little time there when you treat yourself to a little thing, So yeah, after you peel your potatoes, then wash them, or you can even wash them after you cut them up like this. But yeah, I wash them after I peel them. So cut it in half and then cut each piece in like 3 or 4 depending on how big the potato is. You don't want to cut it too thick or else it's gonna be hard to cook. Okay, I'm gonna season my flour for the chicken wings. So it's 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili, and 2 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon black pepper. The ingredients will be in the description box anyway, so you guys can check it out there. Stir until everything is combined. So we're going to coat each chicken wings evenly with the flour mixture. Make sure you get every side. Front and back, left and right, side and side, up and down, everywhere. Fry up time. So you add the chicken to your preheated oil. So make sure you put on your oil from before, make it start get hot and nice. So when you dash in the chicken wings, it be bubbling. And allow to fry on medium heat until each side is golden brown. Okay, so put the potato to boil for about 3 minutes, not for long, because you don't really want it to be cook. You just try to get it, a little bit there. So don't boil the potato to be soft. Okay, so I'm just turn my chicken wings them. You know the one them way already golden and nice. We are practice like a social distancing in the pot. Okay, so let's season our wedges. So what we're going to use is about 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, oh, take out the wings them ready. That portion here, so take them out, and then we are putting in the rest where they leave over. Yeah, them one are not so done. So take out what done and put in the rest. Yeah, so pour, that's gonna be 2 tablespoons of oil on the potato. So pour the wedges in the baking tray. You don't have to put oil in the tray only because you added oil on the potato. You can put a little bit if you want, but it's not really necessary. Okay, so get a garlic bulb and cut off the base. Like that. And put it in a piece of foil paper and put about 1 tablespoon of oil. Pour about 1 tablespoon of oil on it, and then wrap him up. And you're going to put it in the oven while your potatoes are being baked too. By the way, your oven should be preheated at 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're gonna bake the potatoes for about 20 minutes. Finely chop our parsley. Good. So the first 20 minutes is done. So take out the potatoes and turn them over so the other side can get nice and brown as well too. Yeah? See? Them arriving. Them a take them little time and a go on. Them a come, yeah? We'll turn over all of them. Okay, so put it back into the oven for about another 20 minutes or until golden brown. Check on it. And here is my gorgeous chicken. You look good. Look how you look all nice, caramelized. And the potato done. It looks so delicious. Delicious. All crispy and nice. And see my garlic here, well roasted. Okay, so remove the garlic from the foil paper and squeeze out each clove. It's hot, It's hot, so be careful. And careful not to get any of the outer layer to go into into the thing that you're squeezing it in. Wow, our garlic, take it out. Okay, so now we're gonna mash it out. That piece here did really roast and kind of tough look a bit, so yeah, take it out. Okay, so melt 3 tablespoons of butter and add the crushed roasted garlic to it and stir it in. This smells so good, like really good, all delicious and nice. Add your chopped parsley. You just want it to be melted and everything come together nicely, and then you can take it off the stove. So you do this for about a minute, 2 tops. Okay, so pour the mixture over your wedges. This is like the icing pan the cake. What I tell you, say it make it just kick off. So nice. So delicious. Sell off. Okay, so we're going to melt 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 cups of barbecue sauce, and we're going to add 5 tablespoons of honey. And combine. Now at first I added 3 tablespoons and then I tasted it. 3 tablespoons of honey, that is, and then I tasted it. Remember, as I always say, taste as you go along and see what your recipe needs. So when I tasted it, I was like, now man, it needs some more sweet upness. So that's why I added, as I'm doing here, I added, I think, 2 more tablespoons right here. So, yep, 2 more tablespoons. So 5 tablespoons of honey. And combine everything. So for a little punch, a little niceness, extra niceness, I added 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. If you want it extra hotter, you add more. Stir them up. Let's add our beautifully fried chicken wings. To make sure you get all of them all nice and barbecuey. Barbecuey, honeycuey. So, oh God, that looks so good. That looks so good, but it tastes even better. Trust and believe, it tastes even better. Get them, get them, get them. And here we have the finished product. This one is honestly a must. Uno definitely have to try it. On the weekend when we just want, you know, some chill fast food, this can save you a penny or 2 if you make your own. And taste is mind blowing. When I say the taste is amazing, mind blowing, such a treat. Guys, please let me know if you tried this, you know, or if this is something that you would try. And if you try it, tell me in the comment section. Thanks so much for spending some of your time with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Only not forgetting, subscribe. Thank you. God bless you.